What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SKLZ stock. First of all, brief information about this company. We are on their website on a section About Us, and it says Skillz is the leading mobile games platform that connects players in fair, fun and meaningful competition. The Skillz platform helps developers build multi-million-dollar franchises by enabling social competition in their games. Leveraging its patented technology, Skillz hosts billions of casual esports tournaments for millions of mobile players worldwide and distributes millions in prizes each month. The company is headquartered in San Francisco and backed by leading venture capitalists, media companies and professional sport leagues franchises. And let me show you their financials. For now, their total market cap is $7.25 billion and they have a revenue of $230.12 million with a net income of negative $122.47 million. Their total cash is $262.73 million and they are debt-free, as you can see here, and their current ratio is 5.77. It is highly above required 1.5. And you might be wondering why do they have negative income, and this is because they reinvest all their money in their growth. As you can see, they have almost doubled their revenue since previous year. And with this huge capitalization, it's very difficult to have these numbers of year-of-the-year growth revenue. Let me show you their website, and here is the games which you can choose to play and to earn money. And in my previous video I made a mistake and I've told you that they have only 7 games, but it was only featured games, and basically they have much more than 7 games. As you can see here, it is most popular, and among these most popular we have dozens of games. And here you can see the sneak peek of their fourth quarter results, and as you can see they have 95% year-of-the-year revenue growth, as I already mentioned. They have 98% year-of-the-year adjusted EBITDA before user acquisition growth, 121% year-of-the-year playing monthly active users growth, 2.7 billion gamers globally, $86 billion mobile gaming market in total in 2020, and 23% mobile gaming market compound annual growth rate from 2015 to 2020. And let me show you another presentation. They have 58% higher engagement than #1 mobile game. As you can see, Candy Crush has only 38 minutes per paying user per day, and Skillz has 60 minutes per paying user per day. And you can see that they even outperform YouTube and TikTok, the two most popular mobile platforms for now. Here's some data about their market. For now, gaming market is $175 billion with the mobile market of $86 billion, and this market eclipsed books, music and movies. And as you can see, from 2015 to 2020, compound annual growth rate is the biggest among all these markets. Mobile gaming has 23% compared to 14% in total gaming, and even television has almost 6 times a lower compound annual growth rate. Here is their business model in order to better understand how they're making money. As you can see, we have 2 gamers and each of them pays $0.6 of entry fee. And as you can see, gross marketplace volume among these 2 players is $1.2. And they have $1.02 in prizes, incentives and dev profits share. With 14.6% take rate of Skillz, they have 18 cents of revenue with 95% of gross margin. And their gross profit from this amount is $0.17 with operating expenses of $0.12, and these expenses excluding user acquisition marketing. And here we have 4 cents of adjusted EBITDA before user acquisition marketing, and it leads us to 25% of revenue. And here is their total addressable market, and for now they have only 1.5% share, and here they can add it to $15 billion with Android market, they can add $22 billion with new genres, they can add $125 billion on international market, and with the new type of monetizations they have drastically increased their entire market share. And all this information leads us to institutional investors, and we have only green lines with good amounts of investments. As you can see, they totally invested around $25 million. And on top of that, I want to show you that ARK Investment, ARKW Holdings, still hold their position. As you can see, they didn't sell any shares. Here is their recent buys, and the most recent buy was on March 25th. And they have average price, as you can see here, of $25.55. All this information leads us to technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, as you might see, we have this structure, and we have ABC correction. It is a yellow zigzag. And on C wave, we have to have a 5-wave structure. And when I made my previous video, we have only 3 waves from this peak to this bottom. And I encourage you to wait until we have one more structured wave. And basically, we are forming it right now, as you can see. This is this wave. And on my previous video, I drew these two supports. And basically we've almost hit this first line with this long wick, and basically it is very good sign that we have this bounce, and this candle means, and this is a hammer candle, and it usually shows the trend reversal. And that's why I encourage you to invest in this company right after you do your own due diligence. If you think that this company has great potential, then you can add your position at this green level, and each and every green line indicates another potential entry point, but we don't have 100% guarantee that price will hit these levels. But in case of this price action, this is your next potential entry points, but this is your main entry point. And let me show you indicators. As you can see on a MACD, we are losing negative momentum, and very soon we will start to tick to the upside, and this will give a positive momentum to the price action, and this might be a point of the lowest point of trend reversal. And basically we have this curvature on RSI. It's not so bullish that I want to see, but nevertheless we have this curvature to the upside. This means we might see more action to the upside from this point than to the downside. And let me project the targets. And to define targets, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of this structure to the top. This is the second point of Fibonacci extension tool. And the third point right here at the lowest point of the retracement. And here we have 3 targets. The most conservative target is right here at around $44.82, and we have this as a resistance right here. It is a previous top. Next point is 52.46%, and the most aggressive target is $74.54. And in my opinion, we can hit all these targets easily with the good news from their earnings report that will be on March the 4th. And by the end of the year, we might hit these levels, 74.54, and even go higher. But for now, this is the most aggressive target, and I don't want you to be extremely bullish on this asset, and I don't want to encourage you that we might hit $100 by the end of the year. No, this is more technical levels, and that's why I'm making this type of technical analysis. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!